Lords of Mayhem, Bladestorm fans. Quick demo. I finally hit level 90. No infinity mode points, I'll just show you that. Just regular points. Gate of Fates, regular, no extra points put in here, only 90. Gear is pretty good. Well, there's a lot of uniques, unfortunately. And anyway, there you go. My legendary gear is kind of mediocre. In fact, these are not good at all. These three, all that. Right, let's go. Quick demo. What should we take? That one.
Traitor scum!
Must loot during the combat. That's the most important thing. I want that one. Da-dee-da. Okay, here we go, finally. This is gonna hurt. 26 million. Oops. Who's next? Just need to stun him. Oh, there we go. And dead. Alright, next. Okay, big guy. Yeah, he can be problematic. See if we can get him stunned. Yep, that'll do. Ooh, what happened there? A miss. Oh, taking a chance here. Okay. There we go. That should finish him off. 30 million? Yeah, done. Easy. Right. Let's have a quick look at the gear. A bit closely. Go to Fates. Right, head on to be killing stuff pretty quick. So this is the usual. Bit of extra defense. Bit of rage. That's for your toxic balls. Toxic globes, maybe a better way to call it. Attack speed. Bit of extra damage, double damage on skills if you weave in some basic attacks, especially with this. 30% more damage standing still, which we can Bladestorm and it works well with it. And a bit of defense there. I'm working on some heavy items here. These are work in progress. Defense, it's 100% block when I use Sovereign Shout. Right, there we go. 100. This does get up as high as 55 in combat. I haven't got any monsters to hit to demonstrate, but it does. Okay, here we go.